If you don't like myths but still love mysteries, then listen up. This is real. Secrets aren't always in storybook. Sometimes they're locked in ice. Beneath the Arctic permafrost, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault guards not just seeds, but secret archives, entire libraries preserved against apocalypse. No ordinary books here. Think ancient manuscripts and digital memories sealed in vaults colder than -18 degrees Celsius. Some say if the world ends, this mountain could reboot civilization. Want more hidden wonders? Stick around. The Earth's secrets run deeper than you think.